The message specifies that some roof vertexes are not perfectly aligned with each other. To close the roof correctly, the inconsistency must be resolved. Proceed by cancelling the message. The vertexes that are in error are highlighted in plan view. Zoom in to view the height difference between the two slabs. Select the vertex of the roof. Use the snap nodes to align the vertexes to other roof slab. Do the same for the other vertices in error. Once the inconsistencies are fixed, exit the editor.